Let's talk about the 3 crystal allies for June, each one supporting a different part of our align, release, and anchor framework. To help us align, we have Moonstone. Moonstone is deeply connected to intuition and inner awareness, making it a natural fit for month 7. It supports emotional insight, inner guidance, and the quiet practice of turning inward. Moonstone encourages you to slow down and listen to what you feel and sense within yourself, rather than constantly looking outward. Hold it during meditation or quiet reflection. Keep it nearby when journaling, or use it when you want to strengthen your connection to your own intuition. Moonstone reminds you to trust what you know. To help us release, we have Lepidolite. Lepidolite carries a deeply calming, soothing energy that is perfect for quieting an overactive mind. It supports emotional balance, reduces anxiety, and gently stills the kind of mental noise that makes it hard to hear yourself think. One of the things that makes lepidolite especially fascinating is that it contains a high concentration of lithium, the same element used in some medications to regulate mood and reduce anxiety, which speaks to why working with a stone can feel so genuinely grounding. Hold it during moments of mental clutter or anxiety, keep it near your bed for relaxation, or use it while journaling to help you process your thoughts with more calm and clarity. I can tell you from personal experience one very specific time when I noticed how well this stone worked for me. I had a very difficult boss, and it kept me calm throughout the day when I would normally be very aggravated. But it really helped me keep my cool when she was driving me crazy. And I highly, highly recommend it. And I did test this out, wearing it one day, not the next, and then wearing it again, and it truly made a difference. Try it out. I think you'll really like it. To help us get anchored, we have Lapis Lazuli. Lapis Lazuli is one of the oldest and most powerful stones of truth, wisdom, and self-awareness. It has been revered for thousands of years across countless cultures as a stone of inner knowing, and it is the perfect anchor stone for June. It supports inner truth, clarity, and deep understanding, helping you take the insights and reflections of this month and grounding them into something real. Hold it when reflecting on important thoughts or decisions. Use it during journaling or self-inquiry, or keep it nearby when you need a reminder to trust the truth you find within yourself. Lapis Lazuli reminds you that the wisdom you carry is ancient, earned, and worth trusting. If you missed the full monthly numerology video for June, make sure you go back and watch that now so you can get the entire picture of how to work with this month's energy. Sending you love, light, and healing.